Let me tell you about a truly wonderful place. Over the bright green hills, across the majestic mountains. This is our home, a happy magical land we call Gratitopia. The people, they cheer, they celebrate, they dance with joy. Every day filled with smiles and kind hearts. Except for one. We call him the Grouch. And oh, he is grouchy. He isn't kind. He doesn't say thank you. He doesn't like to smile back. He doesn't share, not even to Mr. Smith. But recently, he did the most evil thing imaginable. He took the Vinland Elementary gratitude tree.
Gratitude tree is mine. Mine. Mine.
And that, my friends, is where our story begins. Can our heroes find the gratitude tree? Let's find out.